It seems like every time I open this app, a teenager has gotten a six-figure supercar. And as time goes on, the age only seems to get younger and younger and younger and younger. And obviously it's not normal. In like 5 years from now, we're gonna have 12-year-olds buying huracans. Kids that can't even legally drink shouldn't be able to buy six-figure cars. But it's 2024. There's more opportunities than ever to be in this position. So let's dive deeper, since I literally can't find anyone else doing the same. And don't worry, as someone who has their dream car, I feel like I'm decently fit to talk about this situation. So let's begin. If you haven't been living under a rock these past few years, you'll realize that more and more teenagers are affording cars that were once thought of as unreachable. When I was younger, at least, there was a mental connection between nice stuff and age. When you saw a Lamborghini or Ferrari, your brain automatically made you think that it's some 60-year-old guy who spent all his life building a company, you know, that sort of thing. That was the mental connection back then, and that's even where the Corvette stereotype came from. You see a Corvette, it's most likely a retired guy who's just enjoying his final years. But in just the span of a few years, all that has changed. I kid you not, every single Corvette I see on the road is driven by someone in their 20s or younger. It's crazy. Anybody can just sell a product on TikTok and end up with a Lamborghini within a year, compared to how it was 20 years ago when you literally had to put your blood, sweat, and tears into a company to afford such things. Times have changed, and as time goes on, more opportunities get created. And that's pretty much how so much teens are getting their dream cars. See, I don't even want to make this video going too deep into the business models that these teenagers use, because there isn't just one. In the social media days, it's easier than ever. That doesn't mean it's easy, but there's more opportunities. There's more ways to accomplish this goal. Whether it's reselling, drop shipping, content creation. I could go on, but I'm not a business channel. What I want to cover in this video is the importance of these cars. Why do these teenagers make a significant amount of money and the first big purchase they make is a supercar? What's the reason behind that? Well, there's multiple reasons that these teenagers decide a car is the best option. And from an outside perspective, it looks silly. Trust me, I know. Why would a 21-year-old ever need a McLaren 720S? Well, here's why. Number one, we are kids. Yeah, this is just the first reason. And although it's not the smartest, us teenagers with our dream cars buy them because they are our dream cars. This is not the only reason, but we'll be lying if we said we only got this car for the investment. And the other reasons, not because we could. As hard as it is to admit, we just want to have insane dad lore. Imagine telling your kids how at 18, you put up to your high school in a Hellcat red eye. All teenagers have that tendency to flex. And plus, there's no rule that says wait until you're 40 to buy your dream car. Let's not lie, a car like this at 18 is the ultimate flex. Whether it's to impress your friends, turn heads, there's always that feeling of satisfaction when I take my Z06 out and everyone is taking pictures, breaking their necks, telling me to rev it. And the best part is when they find out I'm not even 20 and somehow own this car. The looks on their faces is always priceless. But aside the flex, it's also the memories aspect. Hey, I'm not older yet, so I don't know how true this is, but I heard making memories while you're young are unmatched. It's the kind of thing that you're gonna look back years later when you're older and be like, yeah, I really lived that life, you know? And there's not many ways to make memories better than owning your dream car while you're young. But all those aside, the most controversial part about getting your dream car while you're young is that life is too short. Like this guy said in one of my videos, if you're young and you can afford the car, why wait? You can't take the money with you, so why not enjoy it while you can? When you're young, you have the time, energy, and excitement to truly appreciate this car. You're not tied down by the same responsibilities you're gonna have when you're older, like kids. Plus, I can't imagine looking back 20 years from now knowing I had the money and means to do it, but I just never pulled the trigger because it was too risky. Could never be me. But aside from the whole flex aspect, there's plenty more reasonable and logical reasons younger people are starting to get these cars that are so expensive. And the next reason I want to touch on is networking. And let me tell you, my friends, networking while you're young is extremely powerful. Wait, I'm sorry to interrupt, but this video is brought to you by 70mi. And this right here is their A810 Dashcam, which brings us innovative safety and next-gen technology all in a compact, reliable dashcam. Ever since I got my car, there's one thing that I've kind of been nervous about not owning, and that's a dashcam. California drivers are crazy, and dashcams are a must, and there's no better dashcam than the one I'm about to show you. Just stick with me. Powered by Sony StarViz 2 IMX678 technology, the A810 offers 4K Ultra HD resolution that captures every detail in crisp clarity. With the exclusive My Color color vivid plus night owl visions technologies, it ensures you have vibrant, balanced footage both day and at nighttime, making it an ideal dashcam for any lighting condition. Installing this dashcam is extremely easy, and its dual-channel HDR recording provides front and rear coverage, so drivers can get a complete view of their surroundings. The HDR technology helps optimize complex lighting environments and provide clarity even in low light. This dashcam also sharpens license plates and key details while minimizing distractions. My favorite feature of this dashcam is the smart 4G parking mode, the Guardian mode. It combines 4G connectivity and AI motion detection to keep your car protected, even when you're away. In addition, the A810 offers seamless connectivity through the 70My app, where users can live stream their car's surroundings, locate their car via GPS, and track real-time driving updates. The Find My Car feature pinpoints the car's exact location, guiding you through busy parking lots, and real-time route tracking keeps you updated on your vehicle's position if someone else is driving it. This ensures you always stay in control and informed about your own vehicle. And to complete its features, the A810 includes a time-lapse recording mode, which compresses hours of footage into brief clips. And this does it so smooth and efficiently, you don't have to worry about storage at all. This dashcam is currently available for a limited discount of up to 35% off. Use code ORBIT810 to unlock this exclusive deal and experience the advanced features that make this dashcam a leading choice for drivers worldwide. Owning a nicer car makes it easier than ever to strike conversations and just talk to like-minded people. Driving a nicer car, and it doesn't have to be a supercar, just something different, is going to give you connections in ways you never thought of. Go to the gas station, someone wants to talk to you. At the traffic light, car meets, McDonald's, visitors at your house. It goes on, but what I'm trying to say is that these cars are the ultimate networking tool. Yeah, you can look at the business aspects of things, but networking isn't always only business related, you know? I've made so much friends because of this car. Like, imagine walking into a room with 100 people, and every single one of those people share the same passion as you, and every single one of those people share the same passion as you, and are in that room for the exact same reason you're in there as well. That's pretty much what car meets are. It's literally the easiest way to talk to people because there's nothing to be ashamed of. They're most likely there for the same reason you are. And I think that's powerful because these connections can lead to so much more than just conversations. Sometimes they turn into major opportunities, whether that's YouTubers using it for content or a physical reminder to lock in. I'm probably just speaking for myself, but these cars can help with that, believe it or not. These teenagers we see on YouTube don't just buy the car as a source of self-pleasure. I know, we're young, but we're not dumb. We know the potential with a purchase like this, and then we use it to capitalize. Even if content creation isn't how they afforded this car, 9 out of 10 times, the next step with this car is to create more videos with it. Why? Well, it's common sense, but it's literally a money glitch. You're having the car pay for itself, so you can enjoy your dream car without being in crippling debt and ruining your life. And plus, it's more of a why not thing. You have no reason not to post a video with a car like this, especially when you're young. I don't know about you, but I'm more likely to be interested in an 18-year-old buying a Ferrari over a 60-year-old buying the same car, because it's just much more interesting. How did he do it? I'm 18. I should watch this guy, so maybe one day I can afford the Ferrari as well. It's just more relatable from a viewer standpoint and more profitable from a creator standpoint. I'm saying that as I barely post videos of my car, but I actually mean it. It's an investment to a certain standpoint. But before we even cover my final point, I have a question for you guys. Let's say you woke up one morning, right? And you just randomly walked to your garage for whatever reason, and your dream car is sitting right there. It just spawned in overnight. What would be the absolute first thing you do? And don't give me no boring question like, question why it's in my garage. That's boring. What would be the first thing you do with your dream car? That's what I'm asking. I'm curious, because the first thing I did when I got my dream car was scream like a little kid. Yeah, but let me know. Like and subscribe while you're down there as well. Finally though, one of the main reasons these teenagers are buying cars this expensive is to have a physical reminder of their progress. There's nothing more motivating than walking into your garage and seeing an object that represents how far you've come. When you go on a drive, it hits different. These cars aren't just materialistic things, as corny as that is to say. They're also kind of like trophies and rewards. They're there to remind you that all the grinding and the late nights were worth it, you know? And let's be honest, it's extremely hard hard to feel unmotivated when you're behind the wheel of your dream car. Every time I start up my Z06, it flips a switch in my brain. It pushes me to keep going and work harder, blah, blah, blah. You know, the normal stuff that a dream car would do to a regular person. Because think about it. If you can make it happen now when you're young, 18, 19, 20, 21, imagine where you'll be in 5 to 10 years from now if you kept it up. So yeah, to outsiders, it might look crazy for a teenager to drop 6 figures on a car. But when you break it down with the steps I talked about and the reasons why we actually do it, it starts to make more sense, you know? And once you've done it one time, you realize that you can do it over and over again. The car is a flex, a tool, and an investment, and a reminder of what is possible. And honestly, that's worth more than money. So if you're young and you've got a dream car in your sights, don't let anyone tell you it's a waste or that you have to wait until you're older to truly enjoy it. Life is short, and if you can make it happen without destroying yourself financially, go for it. But remember, it's not about owning the car. It's about using the car as a tool to push yourself further, whether that's financially, socially, or just make yourself a better person and enjoy life. Take it easy, my friends, and until next time.